Master of Spinjitzu. Hi, my name is Lincoln, and I am not a Master of Spinjitzu yet. But I'm still practicing. Let me show you something. This is my character, Cole. He is. Your attack, Cole. Your attack is weaker, but your stomach is weaker. So, do you want? Why not we do a big spinner? You need 2 blocks. You need the spinner. Find the bottom. You need to fairly get this. Yeah, you're gonna try it. You're gonna have to try it. Okay. You put this. Connect them. You put this, then you got this. And then you grab your character. And look, I have a whole bunch of weapons. But wait, one of them, my golden weapon, is broken. This, and you put this on, make it that. Building my golden weapon, the Axe of Earth. Now this will work. So, these are the 3 weapons. Choose the weapons and pull them on when you're ready. Choose a weapon, choose 2 or 1 that you would want. Will you become a Master of Spinjitzu?